Good morning, dear employers in Hong Kong. I am Annabel Mendoza, 36 years old, 160 centimeters and 58 kilograms. I live in Binyong First, Bukawi, Bulacan, Philippines. I am a single mother with three children, two daughters and one son. My daughter is 13 years old and 3 years old. My son is 12 years old. My mother's name is Rustica Cueto and my father's name is Romualdo Cueto, but both of them are deceased. We are 10 siblings in the family, 5 brothers and 4 sisters. I am number 10 of the family. I am high school graduate. Madam and sir, I have experience before as domestic helper for 5 years. 2 years and 2 months from Kuwait, 2 years from KSA, and 1 year for Jordan. My latest job is from Kuwait. I'm working there for 2 years and 2 months. There are 6 members in the family. My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, take care of the child, and to buy the stuff all the needs in the house. Madam and sir, I am very confident myself to work abroad because I have too much experience as a domestic helper and beside, I am a mother. Madam and sir, I am a kind, trustworthy, honest, and hard worker. Madam and sir, I am looking forward to work with you. God bless.